Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing a tutorial for beachy waves using a hair straightener. So you're going to need your hair straightener, you're going to need your brush and clips, and whatever products you like to use at home. I have in my hair right now a texturizer, so kind of like a salt spray. I have a heat protectant, and I have a curl gel that I put in my hair. And I actually washed my hair yesterday and let it air dry, and so this is how my hair looks air dried. So we're gonna jump right in. I will see you guys in the curling portion. So to start out, you will want to brush through your hair and make sure all the tangles are out. Then you're going to take a clip and clip up half of the hair on the side that you're going to start curling first. Then you're going to get your hair straightener, and I have mine set to 410. You're going to want to make sure that yours is set to what is best for your hair type. If you have fine or chemically damaged hair, you should probably keep the temperature at around 300 or below. If you have thick and coarse hair like mine, you can set your hair straightener to 360 or 410, and that's going to be totally fine. So on this first section of hair, I like to make all the hair or all of the curls go back away from my hair. You'll take the hair straightener and you rotate it once and pull through all the way down. Keep in mind when you're doing this, you don't want to have the clamps super tight around your hair. This is going to cause creases if you do. So you're just going to have it loosely around your hair, tight enough so that it keeps it in between the blades so that you can actually curl it. After this first section, I like to rotate between curling my hair towards my face and curling my hair back away from my face. This helps in keeping the curls from clumping together and becoming one huge curl. And then in between sections, you can run your fingers through the hair just to kind of loosen those curls a bit. And then you'll go to another section. And again, with this one, you'll be rotating between curling your hair forward towards your face and curling your hair away from your face. If you feel like a curl is too curly, you can also just give it a little bit of a tug like I did there to give it a little bit more looseness. Pull some of that curl out. Alrighty, so that's that side. So now we are going to do the same thing on the other side. So as you reach the end, something that I like to do is just run the straightener through my bangs a little bit just to get them a little bit more shaped up. And then I kind of compare both sides. And if I feel like one side is maybe a little bit curlier than the other side, I can go through those sections and I can loosen those curls up a little bit or flatten them a little bit with the hair straightener. You just kind of loosely go through them and just pull them out a little bit so that they're not as tight. Then you're going to take a comb through hairspray. I use the Nexxus comb through hairspray. And you're just going to lightly spray some of those curls and just get it through there just to give it a little bit longer of a hold. And it does give it a little bit more texture as well. So it has more of a piecey, beachy wave look. Okay, I hope that was helpful for you guys. This was just a simple how to do beachy waves with the hair straightener on the long hair. I really like this style. It's kind of just a messy look. It doesn't have to look perfect and it's really easy to do. And what's great about this is if you don't wash your hair every day, it kind of looks even more beachy and kind of messy looking as the days goes on. So again, I hope you guys like this. If you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, please do that now if you'd like, and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more stuff like this. I'll see you guys next time.